Hello, welcome to another PlayoutONE video. This time we're going to concentrate on a little feature that we call remove or replace UIDs in the log. It's got a long title, but basically what it means is if you have an item that's in your log and you want to change it for another one on the fly through a date and hour range, or an hour and date range, you can do it by being very straightforward. Okay, so this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to put it into probably something you do every single day. You will run commercial traffic logs, and those logs will go into the log window on my right-hand side on my screen here. Let's, for example, say that on my right-hand screen here, Smith's Timber Merchants, which is cart or UID, com0003, after midday today, so in 10 minutes from now, needs to be changed for something else. This may be changed because the advertiser wants to change the copy, so the audio side of things, or they may have pulled and they don't want to be on the air from lunchtime today, and it's something you need to sort out straight away. We've put a little feature into PlayoutONE that will allow you just to change that one instance from now till whenever you like before you can get your traffic logs run again. So this is how we're going to do it. You've already noticed probably on the left-hand side of the screen there, I've got my media finder and I've gone to search for all of my adverts, my commercials, my spots. And in this instance, I'm going to change com0003 with com0004. So that one there. Okay. And this is what we're going to do. I'm going to go back to my log. I'm going to right click on it. And then I'm going to go to remove or replace UIDs like that. Box pops up and then it basically says, what do you want to do? What do you want to do about all this? I'm going to say, I want to replace com0003 and I'm going to replace it with com0004. The other thing I need to do is tell it, the system that is, for how many hours or days I want to do it. Now, I'm just going to do it from midday today, which is my next hour in this demo, till the end of play today, because I'm going to run my traffic logs tomorrow with new copy. Okay, so that's today's date on this recording. I'm going to then say, do this from midday and finish it at the last hour of today, which is the 2300 hour, the 11 p.m. hour tonight. I'm going to hit the replace button now. And now it tells me UIDs are replaced on the playlist between specified dates and hours. If I just say OK there and close that, you can see that that has changed from 0003 to 004. And whenever there is, between now and the end of the play today, end of the day today, anything that would have had com0003 in the log will now be 4. We hope that kind of helps you out if you have to have any last minute audio changes for advertisers or anything else in the system, because it's not just down to the way you manage spots.